In this video, we will show you how to manual update on Windows 11. As you can see here, sometimes when we update in here, it's usually failed because our internet connection is too slow. And for example, in here, we have update for new tab on Explorer. You can see when I open the Explorer, there is no tab in here. Let's update because Windows 11 22H2 is available update for the features into public. You can see here that is with KB 5019509, and to manual update you need to download the update on Microsoft Catalog. You can see here, and our update is for x64-bit using this code. You can see here, and make sure this is you download the right files because this is the most important, so you don't waste a time in here. Okay, I already download, so let's make the update. After we download, we can just execute the update files. Once again, be careful when you download the updates. You must match the update code and your base operating system with the Microsoft Catalog for Windows. Okay, we will apply this update using manual update in here. And click yes. Don't forget, you can also get this website link from Microsoft. This is official, so don't worry, and this is safe to download. Okay, still copying package to the Windows update cache. Sometime if we update using system update on Windows, there is failed because internet connection, so you can better download the file offline or online, then you can go to offline in there and you can manually update like this. After copying file is complete, you can see the next process is installing the update, and you can just wait in here. Once again, you can see the URL of Microsoft Catalog for Windows 11 22H2 on this video description. Now you can see here, after the update is completed, we must restart our computers. But as you can see, there is no tab on File Explorer on my Windows. So with this update, it must bring the tab on File Explorer. So let's just click restart now in here. Okay, let's see for our File Explorer. Yes, it works. Now we have successfully updated Windows 11 22H2 with cumulative update using manual update and offline installer. And don't forget, you can get the link for Microsoft catalog for Windows Update, the link on video description. And hope this video helpful for you.